Now I am. We have made the biggest pancake.
Pretty much a blue waffle.
Yeah. Ah, fuck, that's hot. Ah, it's hot.
Right.
Gotta show you a full view of it. It doesn't look that big on the camera, but you gotta see it.
Ah, fuck.
You gotta see how thick it is.
I'm big.
Turn it around that way. See how thick it is.
Pretty.
That's some.
Tell me what we used to make it.
We use glue, dye, and self-raising flour.
And just normal food shit.
And icing sugar.
And icing sugar.
And caster sugar.
Alright, now we're gonna cut this up, right?
We made a
Great.
sponge
Cut it up.
one.
Okay, hold on, cut it in instead.
Show me the inside. So I can cut it just in half and show me the inside.
No, wait, hold on.
Okay, we'll show you the inside of it.
Just wait.
Right, I'll lift this bit up.
Alright, I did good in that. Fuck, the plate's hot.
Look how thick that shit is. Man, that is crazy. Oh shit, are we actually gonna eat this?
Yep. We're gonna eat it all.
Crazy.
Go.
Still gonna finish this one. Okay.
That's it.
Ben eating that shit.
Put it on there next.
Eat it, Ben.
I'm gonna get some sugar. Move it over.
Eat it, Daniel. Eat as much as you can.
I'll grab some shit to put on.
I reckon Ben's gonna be sick after this.
Yeah, I'll probably throw up everywhere. Oh.
Man,
Daniel
calm
never gets
your
sick.
shit with that sugar.
You gotta have all the sweet blue waffles.
Diabetes, man.
Type 2 diabetes.
Tell him I never get sick. I could eat a cow.
Ooh. Drop you.
Put it on the mileage.
Put you on the mileage.
Here we go. Here we go.
Lick his face. Alright, ready?
Wait.
Okay, kids. We still gotta eat
This is our blue sponge. What is it?
blue sponge
Blue sponge cake.
blue sponge pancake.
Go, take a massive bite out of yours. Show them what you made.
You know
You
what?
gotta use real butter when you're cooking it to make it crispy.
Yeah. It's like a crisp on it.
Makes it very.
Looks like shit, but it actually tastes so good.
Okay, let's try and pick this up.
Alright, look how big that is. He's gonna shove it in his mouth like a pig.
Does that look thick as?
Yeah.
Don't vomit, won't you?
Vomit.
Swallow it, you gotta be good.
You hold it.
Swallow, 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 swallow.
Hey. Only 20 minutes.
Alright guys, this is the end of our video. Here's Ben, Nathan, Pancake.